respectfully bow to you, honorable judges, teachers, and my dear fellows. Greetings to you all. Oh Lord, I am grateful. I am grateful on the behalf of these people. They might not understand the best of the gift, the most precious gift. Pakistan, the most beautiful thing ever happened in the world. Be thankful to those who have sacrificed their lives for it, and salute those great peoples and thankful from the whole heart. As a Muslim, I believe Islam is the greatest of all heavenly and earthly religions. Pakistan was created on the name of Islam. Then how Pakistan cannot be great? Is Pakistan great? Yes, I say Pakistan is the greatest part of Islam. Is Pakistan great? Ask this question to yourself. Let me shed light upon this. 77 years ago, Pakistan was created as the greatest Muslim country in the world. 77 years ago, Muslims were slaves for Britishers and Hindus. 77 years ago, we are lying in deep slumbers of subjugation, the brutal torture and the barbarian. But 77 years ago, Khadim stayed Pakistan for us. He wanted to make it the greatest of all nations. Alas, alas, alas. 77 years later, the nation is still not dead. 77 years later, Pakistan is still crippled by the manacles of poverty and despair and wars prosperous world. 77 years later, we are still underdog. 77 years later, where we stood today. Fellas, the idea of Pakistan is still dead. The fault does not lie in Pakistan. The fault lies in ourselves. It is we, with shortcoming. 77 years later, we are still in darkness despite the bright sunshine. Look towards east. Look towards your neighbor. It has left us far behind. Thus, I can understand. I can understand the situation. I can feel the agony. I can see the despair and suffering. I can save it. I can save it. It seems the path is lost. What though the field be lost, all is not lost. The unconquerable will. Fellas, this still time. We've just lost. All we have to do is muster up courage, gather the scattered pieces, shun sluggishness, stand on our feet. There are still ample opportunities. It is time to unite and stand together. It is time to bring the change. It is time to bring the reforms in education, judiciary, forces, health, and the most of all, society. It is time to bring the change in a whole mindset. Who will bring the change? I will bring the change. You will bring the change. You all will bring the change. Fellas, I refuse to believe that you are not capable of bringing change. There is no time to waste anymore. Now is the time to make real progress. Now is the time to rise from poverty and despair to the heights of success and prosperity. Now is the time to encourage each other. Now is the time to take the lead. Now is the time to answer the change of world. Yes? I always dream about it. I dream that one day we will be together in thick and thin. I dream that this nation will rise. I dream that this barren land will turn into oasis one day. I dream that there will be no discrimination. I dream that we will walk together to the heights of success. Hello? Let us take it up. We will walk and we will walk hard. We will excel and we will excel in our field. We will contribute to the prosperity and greatness of Pakistan. Let's chant flow from GB. Let's chant flow from KB. Let's chant flow from Punjab. Let's chant flow from Balochistan. Let's chant flow from Sindh. Let's chant flow from every peak and corner of this beautiful valley. I leave with the slogan. Together with me, please. Pakistan!
Zindabad. Excellent.